The Oppo R17 has a 6.4-inch OLED screen with Full HD Plus resolution and a water drop notch for immersive gaming and entertainment. The phone is available in two color options, ambient blue and neon purple. This phone has an 8GB RAM and a large 128GB internal memory for all your apps, photos and music. You get dual SIM slots, both of which support 4G Volt capability. The 6.4-inch display has a 19:9 aspect ratio for easy one-hand use and Corning Gorilla Glass 6 for protection. You can quickly unlock the phone with the in-screen fingerprint sensor or facial recognition. The 16+5 megapixel AI-enhanced dual rear camera can recognize different scenes to auto-adjust settings for good pictures. The 25 megapixel AI Beauty front camera provides modes like face slimming and makeup. The Ultra Night mode lets you capture good photos in low light conditions. The phone runs on Android Oreo-based Color OS 5.2. It has a Snapdragon 670 octa-core processor, which is good for gaming and multitasking. The Adreno 615 graphics processor further enhances the gaming performance. This phone is powered by a 3500 mAh battery with VOOC flash charge for quickly charging the phone. The box includes the handset, VOOC Charge Adapter, Type-C cable, free earphone, protective case, pre-applied screen protector, and SIM Tray Ejector. The phone is made available through various EMI options, net banking, or payment through your debit or credit cards.